Hello everyone. Sorry for the mess, but this is my beast 3D printer. I have trouble with leveling the bed, the black part that's moving right now. So the print may not be the best quality, but we will see. I just will go with what I got. So yeah, this is my 3D printer. It's printing for, I don't know, up to 5 minutes right at the moment. It's not the fastest, but it's good enough. As you can see here, it comes off of the bed. Not sure if that's good. So this is just what is it called, a raft. The print will be, oh, actually I managed to capture the print, actual model that we printed. It doesn't look too good, but yeah, here it is. And when it's ready, I will show you the result, or result, or whatever, English art again. Okay guys, here it is, the rocket. Actually, I'm not sure how long it took for me to print this. Something about 20 minutes, I guess, maybe 30 minutes. It's quite cool. I will make some photos and paste it in the video. So yeah, here it is, my 3D printer. Amazing.